Lemko Language, Lesson 17, Food and Drink. Lemkiuski Jazyk, 17 lekcja. Idlo I napitok. Fruit. Owoce. O-wo-cze means fruit. Jabłko. Jabłko means apple. Hruszka. Hruszka means pear. Broskwinia. Broskwinia means peach. Banan. Banan means banana. Pomarańcza. Pomarańcza means orange. Cytryna. Cytryna means lemon. Harbuz. Harbuz means watermelon. Sliwka. Sliwka means plum. Vishnya. Vishnya means sour cherry. Chereshnya. Chereshnya means sweet cherry. Vinograd. Vinograd means grape. Jahoda. Jahoda means strawberry. Jafara. Jafara means blueberry. Malina. Malina means raspberry. Chornycha. Chornycha means blackberry. Vegetables. Yaryna. Yaryna means vegetables. Kompir. Kompir or krompil. Krompil or bandurka. Bandurka or grulia. Grulia or zemjak. Zemjak means potato. Burak. Burak means beet. Fizola. Fizola means string bean. Kapusta. Kapusta means cabbage. Paprika. Paprika means pepper. Ohurok. Ohurok means cucumber. Kieszeni ohurok. Kieszeni ohurok means pickle. Morko. Morko means carrot. Pomidor. Pomidor means tomato. Chestnut. Chestnut means garlic. Cebolla. Cebolla means onion. Shalata. Shalata means lettuce. Redko. Redko means radish. Kukurycha. Kukurycha or alternatively tenderecha. Tenderecha means corn. Chreba. Chreba or alternatively huba. Huba means mushroom. Meat. Miaso. Miaso means meat. Curiatena, Curiatena means chicken. Korowiacze mięso. Korowiacze mięso means beef. Kobasa. Kobasa means sausage. Shodra. Shodra, or alternatively, szynka. Szynka means ham. Paciatyna. Paciatyna means pork. Ryba. Ryba means fish. Sledge. Sledge means herring. Meals and dishes. Śniadania. Śniadania means breakfast. Obid. Obid, or alternatively, poludenok. Poludenok means lunch. Večeria. Večeria means dinner. Kanapka. Kanapka means sandwich. Perohe. Perohe means pierogies. Zupa. Zupa means soup. Halushka. Halushka, or alternatively, steranka. Steranka means noodles. Pliacok. Pliacok means pancake. Nalisnik. Nalisnik means blintz. Holubka. Holubka means stuffed cabbage roll. Studenina. Studenina means aspic. Other food items. Here are some common items that you can add to your meals. Cukier. Cukier means sugar. Poper. Poper means pepper. Shil. Shil means salt. Olej. Olej means oil. Ocet. Ocet means vinegar. Chlib. Chlib means bread. Bułka. Bułka means roll. Jajce. Jajce means egg. Masło. Masło means butter. Solonina. Solonina means cured fat. Sir. Sir means cheese. Kwasna smetana. Kwasna smetana means sour cream. Drinks. Napitok. Napitok means drink. Woda. Woda means water. Sok. Sok means juice. Moloko. Moloko means milk. Kava. Kava means coffee. Harbata. Harbata means tea. Pivo. Pivo means beer. Vino. Wino means wine. Palunka, palunka, or alternatively, palenka. Palenka means vodka. Also in this lesson, we will go over the conjugation of 3 verbs that are useful when talking about food and drink. The verb to eat, iste. Let's go over the conjugation of to eat, iste. Im means I eat. Ish means you singular eat. Ist means he, she, or it eats. Ime means we eat. Iste means you plural or you formal eat. Idiat means they eat. The verb to drink, pite. Let's go over the conjugation of to drink, pite. Piu means I drink. Piesh means you singular drink. Pie means he, she, or it drinks. Pieme means we drink. Piete means you plural or you formal drink. Piut means they drink. The verb to want, chotite. There are 2 variations of the verb to want, chotite and chtite, depending on which part of the Lemka region the speaker or the speaker's family is from. While it's beneficial to know both verb conjugations, it's recommended to be consistent with one variation within conversation in order to reflect the linguistic behavior of native speakers. Let's go over the conjugation of to want, chotite, chtite. Хочу, or chcу means I want. Хочешь, or chcesz means you singular want. Choce, or chce means he, she, or it wants. Chočeme, or chceme means we want. Chočete, or chcete means you plural or you formal want. Chotят, or chcут means they want. Example sentences. Dido pjut harbatu bez cytryny. Dido pjut harbatu bez cytryny. Grandpa drinks tea without lemon. Vin hoce iste perohy zo syrом. Vin hoce iste perohy zo syrом. He wants to eat pierogies with cheese. My chcemy pity palunku. My chcemy pity palunku. We want to drink vodka. Ja im 2 jajcia na śniadanie. Ja im 2 jajcia na śniadanie. I eat 2 eggs for breakfast. Note: when 2 or more verbs are used in a sentence, only one verb is conjugated, while the other verb is in the infinitive. The verb that gets conjugated in the sentence in Lemko corresponds to the first verb in the sentence in English. This concludes Lesson 17. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.